Free as a bird I fly, for I am a bird and I can fly. The sky is mine and the destination unknown, and I'll keep flying till I see the dawn. Countless adventures and other birds I have met. We have flown together and a few upsets, some daunting flights and some befriending journey. Endeavors of mine will not end early. Aware of the path I have taken until now, no one else knows what, why or how. My wings are tired, but will still strong. I may fall again and tumble, that I know. Get up, I will and fly again, for I have wings and they will never refrain. The sky is mine and destination unknown, as I'll keep flying until I see the dawn, till I sing my peaceful swan song, free as a bird.
Hello guys, so if you guys like our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for upcoming videos, and thank you.